Poppers and pig shots. Here we go. All right, guys, today we got stuffed jalapenos. I'm stuffing them with brisket and some cream cheese, wrapping them in bacon. I'm also doing some pig shots, which are some pork sausage, just country style pork sausage, wrapped in bacon to make little shot glasses. And I'm filling those with cream cheese and a slice of jalapeno. And I'm hitting all of it with some Gospel, which is fairly sweet, actually pretty sweet, but pairs really well with peppers. So yeah, pretty excited about it. Haven't done these in a while. Let's get to it. Wow, guys, I can't even tell you how good those were. Those jalapenos, they were just perfect. Little bit of crunch left in it, but not much. it was like perfectly done. They weren't soggy, but they weren't still crunchy either. So it was perfect. And those pig shots, man, those were the best I've ever done. I think it had something to do with me putting the Gospel on all sides, even the bottom, because it got a nice crunchy caramelization on the very bottom of those things, which I've never had it do before, and it made a difference. It was really, really good. And for some reason, those slices of jalapeno I put on the top were a little spicier than I would have anticipated. So, which for me is great. But yeah, so be careful of that if that's what you're doing. Maybe cut out the white flesh if you don't want all that heat. But another great cook, man. So simple. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and like it and subscribe down below for more content, and we'll see you later.